In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a full screen video to TikTok. So you've got two options. You can either blur out the background or you can stretch the initial video all the way to fill the frame. And I'm going to show you both of these options right now. So once you're on CapCut, you need to obviously edit your clip first. So go to new project and choose the project that you want to edit. So I'm going to choose this video here, which is a landscape video just of my balcony from my condo. So I'm going to click add, and it's going to then add that video. Now, by default, this will be in the 16:9 landscape format, which is not the format you want from TikTok. So make sure you're not clicked on the video, click on the background, like any black space, then go to this bottom scroll, and you want to scroll until you find aspect ratio. Click on that, then click the TikTok aspect ratio. Now, once you've done that, you can click on your clip, and if you want, you can just like pinch and zoom, and you can zoom in to the part of your clip that you want to show, and this will take up all of the screen. You will be cutting off, obviously, the sides, but this may work for you and your clip. If that's not what you want though, you can click off of the clip, make sure you've not got the clip selected. You can then go to background, then click blur, then you can choose the amount of blurriness that you want, and it will then add the video to the background, but it will blur it as well. So those are two options to fill the screen essentially. Then with either of those options done, click export in the top right hand corner. That will then export your video to your camera roll. From here, you can then open TikTok. Once you're on TikTok, go to profile in the bottom right hand corner, then click on the plus icon. From here, you can then click on your camera roll in the bottom right, then click videos. Then you can click the video that you want to add, which you've just exported. It should be your most recent one. Then click next. And there you go. You're now uploading the video in full screen essentially. So those are two ways that you can do it. I hope one of them helped you out.